Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study a market. First, define your target market by understanding who your ideal customer is. This involves looking at their age, income, interests, and what motivates them to buy. Knowing your audience helps you tailor your product or service effectively. For example, you might find that 80% of your potential customers are young professionals seeking convenience, which is a crucial insight for your strategy. Next, assess the overall market size and its current trends. This step involves quantifying the total number of potential customers and the market's financial value. Look for data indicating whether the market is growing, shrinking, or stable. Understanding key drivers, like technological advancements or shifts in consumer preferences, can reveal if the market is expected to expand by, say, 10 to 15% over the next 5 years, offering significant opportunities. Third, conduct a thorough competitor analysis. Identify who your main rivals are, both direct and indirect. Examine their product offerings, pricing models, and how they attract and retain customers. Understanding their market share, perhaps finding that one competitor holds 40%, helps you gauge the competitive landscape. This insight allows you to identify gaps in their services or areas where you can differentiate your own offering to gain an advantage. Finally, identify opportunities and potential threats within the market. Look for unmet customer needs or underserved segments that your business could address. Simultaneously, consider external factors such as new government regulations, economic downturns, or disruptive technologies that could pose risks. For instance, a new technology might reduce production costs by 20%, creating an opportunity. This comprehensive analysis helps you formulate robust strategies for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.